Welcome to this GaiaYoga tutorial on Uddiyana Kriya. My name is Tom and I see a lot of people have trouble getting the suction of the diaphragm, which creates this internal pressure that pulls up all your abdominal organs and the abdominal wall. Looks like that. When people start learning that, what I see oftentimes happening is that they are just engaging the abdominal muscles, trying to suck the belly in, but not the diaphragm up. See, this hollowness under the ribs doesn't happen when you do it that way. It's a completely different thing. So here's my one tip that you can try if you have that problem. First, let's just inhale and exhale with the rib cage. So you keep the abdominal, the pelvic floor engaged, and you just inhale and exhale by moving the ribs. Now you do the same thing. You exhale all the way and you pull the rib cage up as if you would be inhaling, but instead you close it here and you just mimic an inhalation. And when you do that, the Uddiyana Kriya happens automatically, just by mechanically moving your rib cage up and your diaphragm is attached to that. This will then give you a sense of how it might feel. And I encourage you to watch yourself in the mirror just to see what's happening there. Don't do it with your t-shirt down, because am I doing it? Am I not doing it? You will never know. So do it in the morning, put the mirror in front of you, check what's happening. If you feel it happening, if you see it happening, then you know how it feels, and then you can eventually access those muscles without too much of that movement. You just exhale and suck it in without the movement of the rib cage. Thank you for listening. I hope that helps you and have a beautiful day.